Hi guys, and welcome to Coffee with Nichesss. Today is the first lesson, so I'm going to very briefly take you through the dashboard, and then we're going to develop a blog post, hopefully 1,000-word blog post in less than 10 minutes. So let's see if we can do this. Hey, so the major areas we're going to focus on in the training overall are the start marketing plan, the blog tools, the ads, copy, and the email tools and the products. So jumping straight into blogs, and let's see what we can do. Okay, I think what we should do is start a timer now for ourselves. Okay, so let's start that now. Okay, so we're going to choose two options here. The two options that are actually available to us at the moment. This will change as the product is being developed. So test marketing Inc. And this was pre-populated before. Blog category marketing tech. We'll just change this to small business marketing. If I can get the spelling right, it'd help, wouldn't it? So marketing tech for small businesses, which is, yeah, I think we'll stay with that. So each of these input fields, you'd put your own data in there. So we'll just call this one, why is marketing important? Okay, let's hit generate. Now Nichesss takes about 60 seconds to generate each of these separate content plans. So let's see what it gives us now. Okay, for many businesses, marketing simply means creating a logo and a slogan. Yak, 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 yak. Okay, so we'll take that as the first chunk of data, and we're going to expand on this. So just bear with me 1 second. Okay, you obviously wouldn't be doing this, guys, as you're actually developing your blog posts. So we've got 99 words there. Okay, so what we need to do now, we're looking at why is marketing important, the advantages of marketing, disadvantages. So what we do now is we just go through each of these. We can expand on these, and we probably will in a second. And what we need to do now is click on Add More. We're just going to go through the blog post intro here. And we come down to the bottom section, title of the post, advantages of marketing. Okay, we'll let Nichesss work its magic. And let's see how we're getting on. Okay, I think Nichesss should have done what it needed to do there. I'm on a mobile data connection doing this, guys, so it may not be the most kind of the speediest process to be doing this one. So let's take this section, Control C, we'll add that to our characters here. I won't put the titles in, guys, we can do that as we come back to clean up our blog post. So what would we have? Disadvantages of marketing, if there are any. I'm not aware of any, but we're going to find out, aren't we? And the same process, guys. We're going to add blog post intro, all the way down to the bottom. Copy and paste. Disadvantages of marketing. Won't have as a question. Click on generate more. And we'll see what Nichesss gets for us. I'm going to leave the timer running, but I might stop the video. I'm not sure yet, to make this a little bit more expedient for you guys, not quite as painful to watch. The disadvantages of marketing. Marketing is a dark art. Okay. Now, I'm not proofreading any of the copy here, guys. I'm sure you can understand why. So up to 246 words at the moment. We'll go back down to how to get more customers. Copy. We'd edit these actually in the software, guys. We click on edit and we change this to how to get more customers with marketing. But I just want to show you the potential of this tool. So blog post intro, all the way down again, guys. With marketing, give it a little bit of guidance. So I liken these tools, Nichesss, AI Copy or Copy AI, etc., and the whole slew of tools coming out to be similar to kind of very, very intelligent children, toddlers. They've got a lot of knowledge, but they don't know how to apply it. They need guidance, and it's up to us as the users of these tools to provide that guidance and focus, and that's how you use these tools to be really effective. Okay, how to get more customers with marketing. I'm not even reading these guys. I just want to show you the process. Okay, let's go to the next one. How to get a higher customer retention rate. That's quite a good one, isn't it? Okay, add more. Blog post intro all the way down. And let's click on generate more now. So up to 5 minutes up to now. So let's see what we've got. We'll refresh this page again. So how to get a high customer retention rate. Control C. Pop that into here. And we'll go back. Now, we're running out of stuff here from the first section. So let's see. This is a good one. We could link that in, I suppose. Control C. I'm going to do a section on, we're going to link in, oh no, we won't use that one actually. Yeah, what we'll do here is we'll copy this section, what to consider when establishing a marketing plan, and we'll also ask Nichesss to explain what a marketing plan is for us first. So you see the way the tool's given us ideas and we need to provide the linkages. So here we go. What is a marketing plan? Another 60 seconds or so, and we're up to 6.5 minutes, I think. Is that stopped, has it? No, it's not. Okay, a little bit of a panic there. So what is a marketing plan? And let's go down to what Nichesss has got for us here. Refresh the screen. Oh, I can feel the pressure. What is a marketing plan? Control C. Control V. And we'll say for this one, how to create a marketing plan. Okay, and Nichesss is going to take another 60 seconds or so. We might just hop in there a little bit sharpish and see what it comes up with. How to create a marketing plan. Let's pop that into here again. And we'll say for this one, what are the steps of a marketing plan? And we'll refresh that again. Now it's got questions in here. So what we'll do is we would take those questions and then add them back into Nichesss in the blog post intro. So let me show you how we do this. What are the main obstacles that keep it from growing? So we say, what are the main obstacles from keeping a business from growing? And we'll focus that to marketing here as well. Okay, and that's got a nice section in it of what are the main mistakes that the companies make with marketing. So we'll take that again and throw it into. Let's throw it in. So we're up to where are we up to now? Control V. We may as well do the full amount of words. So marketing is lifeblood. Control C, and let's go to down to the bottom. And how to measure your marketing goals. Okay, so this is how to measure your marketing goals. And we refresh that again and see how we're getting on. $946. So when we add the titles to this, we will be up to the 1,000 word mark, I believe, and that's how you go about generating a full 1,000 word blog post with Nichesss in. I think we had it in, actually, let's just check, in 13 minutes, which is pretty good in my book. So hope that helps, guys, and if you've got any questions, give me a shout.